Hello, I'm Edwin and you're watching Edwin Travels 2, and today I'm in Hollywood for the world premiere of the Avengers, the Infinity Wars. What it is basically the world premiere. Hopefully we'll be able to see a lot of stars here, and we'll hopefully talk to a couple or so. I doubt that part, but you never know. Anyways, then I'll also show you some highlights of what I see around here at the world premiere and see how crazy the fans get. Alright, we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye. All these people are waiting after the Jimmy Kimmel taping to get autographs for the Marvel stars. Hello, here we are behind the El Capitan Theater. You got these people that are on the fence over here. Probably see them. They're waiting to get autographs from the cast of the Avengers. I guess they were the hosts for Jimmy Kimmel, and Jimmy Kimmel does his taping in the building next to the El Capitan Theater, which is this beige color building. Alright, when they come out, hopefully I'll get a couple of photos of some of the people. Here's a better view of the alleyway that they should be coming out of the doors on the right side where the brick building is.
Don't push the barricade, guys.
So here's the little tents that they're using for Avengers premiere. It goes way down there. We'll be coming out here. It goes way down yonder. Really a long ways.
That's right over there. Yeah,
All these people are in line to see the movie. It's amazing. Just crazy. They are checking for explosives.
I don't know.
Never been to a premiere like this where the stars are all hidden from all the fans. So crazy. So crazy. A premiere like this. Look at all these people. All those people on that side of the street are going to the movies, and these are fans who just want to watch.
All the press, all the interviews you see, excuse me.
You gotta tell these will-call Disney people to tell them.
There's a tent all the will call people have to go through, and then they go through this metal detectors. The rest people who don't have tickets, they have to hang on the outside. What's the reason for having a premiere if you can't see the stars?
I didn't know Black got one.
Can we keep up with the rules? Everybody's in my house.
Y'all don't know if you've seen it yet. I love it. Over here.
And this tent just goes on and on and on. Never seen anything like this before.
That's where, like, that's gonna be the hell.
Look at all these people who want to see the stars. You can't even see them because they're behind tents and tall walls. Just take a look at all these cameras that are up trying to take pictures of the stars. All these cameras. Well, everybody, I tried to show you more of the premiere, but they had everything off. It was really tight security. They had tents up. They had high walls. I've never been to a premiere like this before. I don't know why they're doing it, but I guess it's the way the world's going, where you have these big old gala things for the fans, but you don't include the fans. So anyways, to me it was a really disappointing premiere. It wasn't like the ones I used to go to where the stars are out in the open and they would sign autographs, take pictures with you. But like I said, that's the way the world's going. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed what I could show you and you get a little feel of what the premieres are all about and how crazy they get with all the fans trying to get autographs and selfies and such like that. Alright, well, please like this or subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you for our next adventure, okay? Bye-bye.